My name is Matt Vassar. I'm a clinical assistant professor of psychiatry and behavioral sciences and also the new director for the Office of Medical Student Research. OSU-CHS, we wanted to establish a place where medical students could become familiar with the research opportunities available on our campus. Our office exists to create that mutual connection between the faculty and the students based upon mutual interests.
As far as having research, it's really important for residencies. The more competitive residencies you want to get into, the more research you need to have to do that. I also think, though, it's just really important for a physician or a developing physician to be able to critically look at research, be able to look at the things that are governing the way we treat patients. Having an office that's governing all of that is really important in allowing students to get plugged into where they feel best led to get plugged into and getting the training that they need to get to be the best doctors that they can be.
So I have around 35 publications with Dr. Vassar, and the importance of that as a medical student is, it helps to get a residency spot, but it also helps to create and develop relationships with residents and attendings over at the hospital with fellow medical students. I remember my first publication, it felt awesome. It didn't seem real that my name as a medical student could show up in a big journal, and that really hasn't left. My most recent one was in a journal I was really excited about as well.
For medical students now, get involved in research early. It doesn't necessarily have to be something you're in love with, the idea of it, but just understanding how research is done, the time it takes, the time you have to put in to get something significant. It's a lot of work, but it's very rewarding.
If anyone is interested in learning more about medical student research opportunities, we have set up an email for that purpose. That email address is medstudentresearch@okstate.edu.